My name's Alex Labate. I'm with the Marble Center in Salem, Oregon. We were established in 1996. We run about 7 install trucks a day. We are considered a mid-size, high-end fabricator. We started in middle school, actually, as a summer job. A lot of handwork and growing up with the technology in the industry. So I've pretty much grown up in the industry. The challenge in any company is that you always have bottlenecks. You fix one bottleneck, then you have another bottleneck. And that starts all the way from hand fabrication, if you have only 2 fabricators and 1 handsaw, all the way to where you have CNCs and you're digital. There's always a bottleneck in every system. The underlying goal the whole time is to be the most efficient fabricator you can be. And you're striving for a quality product with the least amount of time involved in the production of that top. And that's what makes you an efficient company, that makes you profitable. And at the end of the day, we're all in business to be profitable, not just to show up and cut countertops. The more your saws are ahead of the game in the shop, your production increases organically because machines don't have to wait for anything. The minute we introduce the saw, within a week, we're ahead 6 to 10 days cutting. We literally load a slab. It can have 4 countertops on it, 20 splashes. We tell it what to move, what to mill, what to cut, and we literally hit start and step away until the machine is not done 100%. We're not involved again to unload the machine. With GMM's, the vacuum movement and the spindle, every saw cut that comes through a splash or a countertop is a perfectly smooth cut. There's not a little water jet start and finish on each end. And most people go, well, that's no big deal, we can just finish it by hand. But when you complement the other machines in your shop, which are inline edge machines and splash machines, you can't have those little things on each end of a splash. So then you have to introduce manual labor to try to correct what one technology did to introduce it to another technology. With the vacuum movement and the side spindle has eliminated all that human intervention. You literally go from the saw to the edge machine to the install truck. And you see that you don't need another router, you don't need an edge machine. Those weren't your bottlenecks. Your bottleneck was your throughput through your saws of how much material you could get cut ahead of time before you need it. I mean, the 480 is the most amazing machine that I giggle. I've been in this business 30 years, and I just sit there and I watch the machine. It's like going to an amusement park. It's the most enjoyable thing to watch. And if you can get an old timer to look at a machine and still have fun, something was done right with the machine.